Welcome to another IMS Reality Agent Deluxe help tutorial. This video will focus on the information found under the Filter By icon. I'm using a San Francisco database, but as a member, you will have an up-to-date database that you registered with. It's important to remember that filters are the engine that drives the entire program. Once you understand how to properly filter your selections, the rest of the program comes very easily. Now, let's say a client has asked you how long the average house stays on the market in Daly City. Clicking on Filters, clicking on your city list, and click on the word Units. That will bring your busiest cities to the top of the list. Now we see Daly City. Oops, I clicked on the wrong one. If this happens, simply click again and your entry will disappear and you can click the correct city. Once you click on Daly City, you'll see a search report box pop up, prompting you to add that to your search criteria. You can now see that Daly City has been entered into your criteria box. Now, we can select from our graphs, Days on Market. This will tell you exactly how long a home in Daly City stays on the market in any given month. Now, what if you want to know about a particular zip code or a district? Go back to your filters, click on District, and we'll add 11010. You can see that your graph changed accordingly. You're now looking at the days on market for a home in Daly City in a particular district. The filters will narrow down your search so you can present meaningful and accurate geographical information. If you want to be more detailed, you can use any number of your filters, such as bedrooms, bathrooms, type of home, style of home. Anything that you need in information can be accurately portrayed throughout the rest of your program by clicking on any particular filter. In our case, we're going to choose a type of home. Single-family homes. We're also going to choose the number of bedrooms and the number of bathrooms. This is one way you can certainly impress your clients when preparing for a listing presentation. Now we can see that our graph changed according to all the information we entered into our criteria box. Daly City, District 11010, a single-family home with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And these are the appropriate days on market. Now, if you want to look at that same graph, but without the district, don't forget that at any point you can go into the Search tab in your control bar to manually enter or remove information you don't need. In this case, we're going to remove the district simply by swiping and hitting delete, and now finish your search. We can see that the district has been removed from your criteria box and no longer will display on the information you've searched for. We'll clear our program and go to the beginning to discuss some more exciting information under our Filter By icon. Another great function is our Analytics tool. This will be displayed as a little box with an A in it. Anywhere that you see beside any filter, you'll be able to get instant analytics. Keep in mind, every MLS is different as the drop-down menu will change. You may not have a region or a subtype in your drop-down menu. Each one is specific to the information available to your program. Let's talk about analytics. Again, we're going to look at a cities list. We're going to click on the word units and bring the busiest cities to the top of the list. Now we'll see the Analytics tool right above our list. When we click on that, we're going to get the instant analytics on every city reporting out of this database. We'll be able to compare the number of units, the overall volume, the average sale price, and the average sold to ask ratio. You can compare last month to this month, or however you want to see the information, even as far back as from 1 year to the next. Valuable information in just 2 clicks of your mouse. Let's talk about another function found under the Filter by icon. This is called Home Value Ranges. This will allow you to enter in a range of prices that you might be looking for information on. Let's say you want to know about the $200,000 to $400,000 homes in San Francisco. Go back to your Filter by icon and click on Averages and Totals. This will show you exactly how many units were sold in San Francisco that were priced between $200,000 and $400,000. In this case, 249 units. Again, we can continue to filter other information. Number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, any information that you need, but allowing you to now put in a specific price range of information you're looking for. And let's just see the units that sold. And there we have it. In San Francisco, between $200,000 and $400,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom homes. 1 was sold in November, 6 in October, and so on. Another terrific function, all in your filter. Information valuable to the rest of your program. We're going to clear our search. Now keep in mind, written help files are available by clicking on the little blue question marks or by clicking on the little blue and white eye icon found on most pages. When you're finished, you'll clear your search, click on your logo, and you're back at the beginning of your program.